Hi, this is the Huawei MatePad 11.5 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to the sound and vibration, and you'll see here sound and silent mode section. Just to activate silent mode you should switch sound to the silent, and by the same way you could turn it off. Also you could turn on silent mode or turn it off by this way, just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots on notification volume panel. So to activate silent mode you should just mute notifications, or just to turn it off just unmute notifications volume panel. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here sound and silent mode icons. Just by click on the icon you will switch sound mode to the silent one. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.